Redi Wheels is public bus service for people who have a disability that prevents them from using SamTrans buses some or all of the time. To be eligible, customers have to fill out an application and will be certified as a Redi Wheels member. Apply online or call 650-366-4856 to request an application. Fill out the application and explain your disability and how it affects you. We will call you to do a telephone interview and to get more information. You might be asked to come in for an in-person evaluation.
Good day, Redi Wheels. Sure, no problem. You would like a...
Once your application is approved, it's time to schedule your ride. To make a reservation with Redi Wheels, be sure to have the following information available: the day you are traveling, where you want to be picked up, where you are going, the time you want to be picked up. If you have an appointment, please tell the reservationist what your appointment time is so that we can schedule the trip right. Please call between 1 and 7 days in advance to schedule your Redi Wheels ride. Same-day rides are not available. Please keep in mind that pickup times are negotiated. Redi Wheels is a shared ride service, so make sure to allow plenty of travel time to reach your destination, and be sure to write down the pickup times. Now it's time to plan your trip. Bring your face covering and other things you will need. Face coverings are required. If you are sick, please stay home. Redi Wheels has a 20-minute window. The ride is on time if it arrives between the scheduled time and up to 20 minutes after the scheduled time. Please be watching and waiting for the vehicle. The driver can only wait 5 minutes for the customer to appear, and the driver cannot enter a building to look for you. The driver can carry up to 4 standard grocery bags. Pay your fare when you board the vehicle. You can pay with cash or prepaid coupons, and you can also use the SamTrans mobile app. All SamTrans buses are equipped with lifts or ramps that can be used by people who use mobility devices or cannot climb steps. If you travel with a wheelchair, the bus driver will secure it. The bus driver can also help you with your seatbelt. Redi Wheels is a shared ride service. There will be other people on board the vehicle. To practice social distancing, please sit apart from passengers outside your household. The bus driver can assign seats. You can use Redi Wheels for any trip purpose. Redi Wheels can be your ticket to increased independence. Schedule your ride today.